Well, good Sunday morning once again, everyone. We are still tracking a complex of heavy showers and storms that are moving southward into portions of the Permian Basin. Here's a wide look at everything right now. The leading edge of this complex now sinking into the northeastern Permian Basin, so Scurry County looking at a lot of heavy rain and some lightning, also into Borden County. And then the tail end of this does extend just to the north of the Permian Basin. As we take a little bit closer look down here toward the south, most of this activity now pushing into the northern half of the basin. For the most part, this complex is starting to weaken out just a little bit. So mainly just looking at a heavy rain threat, some lightning, some gusty wind, maybe some pocket-sized hail in between some of these stronger storms. Some of that activity now pushing into Colorado City, possibly some gusty wind now pushing into Big Spring. Northern side of Howard County looking at some heavy rainfall now beginning to push on through. So let's take a look at the velocity, and this red color is denoting that gusty wind coming out of these showers and storms. So whenever we see this, this is a typical trend that these storms are weakening a little bit. They're starting to collapse, which will lead to that heavy rainfall threat, and that severe potential with any of this activity will start to diminish as we see more gusty wind spread outward from these showers and storms. But if you are within these showers and storms, you're probably looking at that heavy rainfall and some of that gusty wind as the main threats. Hail size, once again, everything pretty small in between. We're talking very like pocket change size hail out of any of the strongest storms. Should remain below severe limits, but we'll continue to track this complex as it pushes off toward the south and southeast. Could arrive into Big Spring here pretty soon. Midland and Odessa, we still have a chance to see some of this rainfall as well as into Andrews, but it looks like our time frame will probably be a little bit later during the overnight hours if this complex holds together. But if it does, we'll continue to keep you guys advised with the latest. We'll send you back to your programming.